So the purpose of this video is to talk you through my journey in getting this Autoline woodpecker drill guide, or lack of successfully getting a version. And I don't want anybody else to fall foul of what I went through. So enough about that. Here we dive straight into it. So what you can see on screen here is it's an American product made by a company called Woodpecker. It was perfect for doing some cabinet projects that I had coming up. I didn't have a drill press at the time that was kind of portable enough to be able to do some of these things, and I got caught away with the idea of buying another tool, so I thought this is perfect. Negative, it's expensive, $350 thereabouts, and if you convert that to UK pound sterling with shipping and taxes and whatever they want to throw in, you're about the same in UK pounds, so £350, which is starting to look like far too expensive. So being the ever tight Yorkshireman, I set about looking for an alternative, what was available in the UK. So the first place to start, of course, is Amazon. Amazon, if you search in Amazon for woodpeckers, you get the listing for an Autoline product. But cheekily, it's not listed as actually being from Woodpeckers. The knockoff, they're foreign import knockoffs. So that was the first one that I bought. £30, came from China, I believe. Took approximately kind of 6 or 8 weeks or something to eventually land. Came in this beautiful display case and luxury travel box, made from 100% cardboard. The product itself is truly horrible. I can't actually explain it. The feeling of revulsion that I get when I hold it, it is truly terrible. So I immediately then decided that I couldn't possibly use it. Part of which, as you'll see, is because it is unusable. So the next step was to look at other alternatives. So I went through Banggood and found a £100 product from Banggood, and immediately ordered that. What you can see here are those two versions. The Banggood is on the left here, and the Amazon version is on the right. Now, first, I'll focus on everything that's wrong about the Amazon product. The Woodpecker is sort of an anodized aluminium. I'm not a material expert, but it's aluminium with a coating on it, and it's a lovely sort of red color, which is very similar, I think, to the original. The legs, the arms here are fluted, so these stoppers that you use when drilling actually do the job, which is once you tighten up the little grub screw, the unit won't go down any lower, so it works as a very good drill stop. By contrast to the aluminium and stainless steel of the Banggood product, the Amazon product is what looks like printed sort of plastic, 3D printed plastic, and aluminium, which do not work together as a material at all in any shape or fashion. The aluminium and the plastic sort of stick and bind together, so as a press you spend more time fighting against the device than you do actually pressing to drill a hole through the material that you're drilling in. And then the other, from the Banggood one, it works, pretty great. I have to say, the two noticeable differences are the chuck, the quality of the chuck from Amazon is useless. There is, depending on the length of drill that you're going to use in this thing, probably, 15, 20 millimeters. I wasn't even going to stick a measure on it because it is truly horrible. There's no point putting a feeler gauge on this and getting all engineering. It's not worthwhile to do it. If you drill a hole with this product, it is going to wander. If you're drilling a thick material, especially, it's going to drill at an angle because the chuck wanders. So a truly horrible addition to your workbench. So in conclusion, if you're interested in the product, and I can't speak directly for the Woodpecker product in itself, but in terms of if you had a budget, do not buy a knockoff from Amazon. The Banggood is a serviceable product that I've used in a few occasions, and it seems to do the job, especially for wood. I did try it on on the video for making bench dogs, but it didn't work particularly well. It doesn't cope with vibration for steel very well, but for wood, works great. So I would suggest spend your £100 and go on a Banggood product if they are still available for that money.